In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in PotPlayer, both automatically from the internet and manually from your computer. So let's get started. First, open PotPlayer and play any video. I will use this one as an example. If you want to search for subtitles online, just right click anywhere on the screen, go to subtitles, then go to subtitle searching and download subtitle. A new window will appear. Here type the name of your movie or TV show. You will see a list of available subtitles from the internet. Click the one you want and then hit load selected subtitle. After that, click save checked once and close the window. That's it, your subtitles are now loaded and will start playing automatically with your videos. Now, if you prefer to add subtitles manually from your device, here's how you can do it. Right click on the screen again, go to subtitles, then select subtitle and add subtitle. Browse your computer, pick your subtitle file and hit open. Once it's added, it will appear in your subtitle list and you can easily select and play it anywhere. And there you go. That's how you can add subtitles in PotPlayer, either by downloading them online or loading them from your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.